Verily, with every difficulty, there is relief. Whether we're facing a personal crisis, financial hardship, or a global pandemic, this verse can serve as a source of inspiration and motivation. It reminds us that there is always light at the end of the tunnel and that we can find relief from our difficulties if we remain steadfast in our faith. O mankind, indeed we have created you from male and female and made you peoples and tribes that you may know one another. Indeed, the most noble of you in the sight of Allah is the most righteous of you. Indeed, Allah is knowing and acquainted. This verse reminds us of the unity and diversity of humanity, and that we should treat all people with respect and compassion, regardless of our differences. It inspires us to strive for righteousness and to view others as equal in the eyes of Allah. And indeed, the hour is coming, there is no doubt about it. But most of the people do not believe. This verse reminds us of the ultimate goal of our lives and that we should always be mindful of the end times. It inspires us to stay focused on our purpose and to remain steadfast in our faith, even in the face of disbelief or opposition.